So now I show you the next step in brush handling and filling. We had already the upright position with any kind of filling of ink, very free at the moment. And now we come to the technique of a flat brush that you like pull over your paper. What is basically the technique for bamboo stems. And for that, you have to fill your brush in 3 steps. What means this is the tip of the whole tip of your brush, and you fill almost the whole tip with very light ink. Then you dry it a little bit. Then you put a middle tone ink, I would say almost half in the tip of the brush, and you dry it a little bit again, and then you fill like I would say 1/4 of the brush, the like the very tip of the brush with very dark ink. So for that, put it here in our container with the very, very light pigment. Dry it a little bit. Then I fill the brush almost to the middle with the light middle color ink. By the way, use a towel you don't really need for anything else, because ink is very sticking to the fabric, and if you paint, there's almost nothing happening. You don't spill ink, but be aware that if you wear something white or light color, the ink might stick to the fabric if you wash. So sorry for interruption. So the brush is filled half with the middle tone ink, and now you fill the tip with the very, very dark ink. So, and now make yourself a little space. And I show you. Here you put your hand like flat on the paper. The hand can touch the paper, no problem, but hold the paper. See that you have weight on it, because it might rub it away. See, this is what basically happens if you have a 3-step filled brush. This is the technique for bamboo. What I'm going to show you later, I show you a very nice practice to figure out how to do this. Take another sheet of paper. So we do the same again. Fill the brush with very light ink, then halfway in the middle tone ink, and fill the tip with the very dark ink. And then we paint the 3 forms everything in the universe is made of. And this is square, triangle, and circle. So you can stand up for this. Feel free to create however you like it. This is a free form and not very strict. So something very beautiful to contemplate on these 3 forms. When it comes to the circle right now, feel free to try however you can do it. It might be a little bit complicated to paint like this, but you can try. But you can also just paint your first Enso. So this is almost your first painting. So this is these are the basic steps to start. And now the next tutorials I will show you some practice sheets, how you can practice your brush strokes and your brush fillings.